Hey guys, this is Sumit and you're watching Sumit's Quintessence. So as you can see on the screen, in this video I have drawn these realistic cherries. So I'll be uploading this tutorial under one of my playlists, that is drawing on still lifes. So please watch the video till the end. I'll be explaining the process that I have followed to draw this. So as you can see over here, I have started using 2H pencil to give the first layer of graphite on my object, and then slowly I'll be increasing the darkness of the object using 2B pencil, 4B and 6B as per the darkness. And at the end of each layer, I am using cotton and blending stumps so that the graphite gets blended on the paper very smoothly. And also you have to take care of the highlighted areas. You should not put much graphite on the highlighted areas. And whenever you do these kind of still life drawings and all, you have to take care of the shape of the object. Many times you need to put your strokes along the shape of the object, that we also call contouring shading. I've already explained various techniques using which we can do shading. If you've not watched, please go and have a look on my tutorials. So as you can see over here, I'm almost done with drawing of second cherry, and I am using here 8B pencil to fill the darkmost areas and the areas which are very dark, and at the same time I am trying to give a finishing touch to those areas which needs cleanliness and sharpness. So as I have explained in my previous tutorial videos as well, that whenever you do any kinds of drawings and whenever you are working on any realism project works and all, you need to have lots of patience to complete your works. No need to work in hurry. No need to try completing your work in less amount of time. In fact, the more time you will give to a particular area of your object, the more realistic it will become and the more beautiful it will look. So guys, this is the one of the main funda of realism drawings, that you need to have lots of patience and you need to put your concentration drawing even a single and small portion of your object. And at every step you need to keep in mind that you have to give a finishing touch to your sketch, and you need to use a combination of erasers, brush, blending stumps to give more and more realistic look to your objects. So you can follow the same process to complete your other cherries as well, and you need to remember that you have to always work in layer manner. First layer you can use 2H pencil, second layer you can use 2B pencil, third layer you can use 4B pencil, and accordingly as per the darkness and your requirement and your realism effect of the object, you can even increase the tones to 6B, 8B and all. So as you can see over here, after giving the first layer using the 2H pencil, I have used here 2B pencil to increase the darkness, and at every step I am using blending stumps and brush to mix my graphite on the paper very smoothly. And as this still drawing needs a very shining look, so I have kept the areas that are highlighted intact, and I'm taking care that I should not put much amount of graphite on those highlighted areas. So if you work like this slowly, your objects will pop out from the paper and it will look more and more realistic. Follow the same process that I've just explained to complete your other objects as well. Obviously it will take much time, but you need to keep patience, and you need to put your concentrations so that all your objects becomes more and more realistic. And as you can see over here, I am using an indentation tool, also known as indentation technique for drawing, to draw this leaf. This is one of the technique using which you ident your highlighted areas of your object using any of the indentation tool, and then later point of time you put your graphite and you use any pencil to do shading on that areas. The highlighted areas will automatically pop out from the paper. Don't worry guys, soon I'm going to create another tutorial video in which I'll be explaining the full details about all the art related materials that I basically use in my practice drawings, in my project works and commission works. So keep on seeing my channel, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, do go and subscribe to my channel Sumit's Quintessence. And the sketch is almost complete. I hope you liked this sketch and you learned something from this tutorial video. So if you have liked this, do subscribe to my channel Sumit's Quintessence. And if you have any queries related to this, do post your queries in the comment box and do let me know how you find this. So I'll be very happy to answer those. Thank you from Sumit's Quintessence.